All right, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. The other day, this is just a follow-up video. The other day I showed you how to take a screenshot. It's a feature that Max have had for a while. You push Command Shift 4 and you'll get these crosshairs and you can click and drag and screenshot whatever it is you want to screenshot. Well, they've made it even more cool now. It can do more. You now can push Command Shift 5. This is part of OS Sonoma. And it popped up the window on my other screen, but it will draw this rectangle, okay? And then you have this little window here. This little window here allows you to stop the screen recording. It allows you to capture a selected window. It allows you to capture the entire screen, so you can choose, or you can have this square that goes like this. Okay, some other options right here, and then you can capture. There, I did it. By default it puts it to my desktop. Okay, now you also, I'm already screen recording using QuickTime Player. This is something you could have been able to do for a long time. I believe it will let you screen record video too, because if I push Command Shift 5, you'll notice I can stop screen recording. I'm not going to do that because I'm making this video. I believe that capture is a still image, and if I wasn't recording already, this would allow me to start recording and I could record my screen. So again, Command Shift 5 gets you here. You can choose a custom area to capture or to record. You can choose an entire screen. You can choose a selected window like that one. And you can start screen capturing, screen shotting, and screen recording, all with Command Shift 5. Kind of a cool feature. Hope you like it. Please give my channel a subscribe and a like, and we'll talk to you later.